My name is Akim Agbaje. I'm the founder and the managing director of Agao Groups of Company in Lagos. Our mission is to bridge the gap between Nigerian investments and Nigerians who are living abroad. One of our major objectives is to be the representative of Nigerians who are abroad who wants to invest at home. You don't need to leave your place of abode in any part of the world to invest. All you need to do is to count on us and give us the mandate to invest for you. Just count on us and we shall represent your interest.